Meet the all-new X431 Euro, the flagship diagnostic tool built for workshops that demand excellence, precision and future-proof performance. Where cutting-edge hardware meets flexible software, the Euro is the ultimate solution for every workshop that aims to lead the way. With a modular design offering bronze, silver or gold software packages, you get to tailor the Euro precisely to your workshop's needs. Whether you value secure gateway access, full programming, ADAS, or complete OEM-level coverage. That means you only pay for what you need, but always have the power to expand as your business grows. Inside the Euro is top-class hardware, a robust Android-based platform with generous power, memory and storage, built to handle today's vehicles and tomorrow's tech without missing a beat. The large 13.6-inch high-resolution display, with split-screen capability, lets you run diagnostics and see data, repair instructions or database info side by side, offering total clarity for every job. Multi-system data streaming delivers data from multiple control units simultaneously, ideal for complex diagnostics. And functions like secure gateway access for major manufacturers, online programming, coding adaptations and special, expert-level procedures mean the Euro isn't just a scan tool, it's a full-service workshop solution. With built-in guided functions, step-by-step routines, for example DPF regeneration, adaptations and system calibrations, the Euro offers clarity, speed and reliability every time you connect. That makes it perfect for daily use, even under pressure, and ensures you deliver professional, consistent results to every customer. The launch X431 Euro, unmatched diagnostic capability, maximum flexibility, and future-ready technology. For garages that demand the very best, the Euro is more than a tool, it's the backbone of a truly professional workshop.